Because that attachment, that love is eternal. It can never die. What is it saying in chapter 2 of the Gita? That which is eternal it never ends. Nasato vidyate bhavo, right?
Nasato vidyate bhavo, na bhavo vidyate sataha, upayorapi dristontas.
Look it up. You know the number? It's a very nice verse. Krishna is telling in Bhagavad Gita chapter 2, that which is real is eternal. Right? Yeah. Nasat asat. Nasato vidyate bhavo. Vidyate means exists. That which is real exists forever. And asato vidyate nabhavaha. Nabhava. Bhava means existence. Bhava, not long name, bhava. Bhava sagar. Bhava sagar means material existence. The ocean of material existence. Bhava sagar. Bhavahure mana Shri Nanda Nandana Abhaya. So Bhava Re Sindhu. So Sindhu means ocean of existence. So Nasato, Nasat, Asat and Sat. Nasato Vidyate Bhavo. Bhavo means existence. Vidyate means to be, or there is. There is Nasat. That which is temporary does not exist. That which is eternal never cease to exist. That which changes is not eternal nor real. That which is real is not temporary. That which is real is eternal and never changes. It can never be destroyed. So this is Guru Shishya Sambandha. If it's Sat, because Sadguru means Sat, eternal. Sadguru and Sad Shishya means Nasato Vidyate Bhavo, Nabhava Vidyate Sataha. That this Nabhava Vidyate, there is for the Sat, for the eternal, there is never non-existent. So my Guru is never gone. This is why I'm citing this verse in chapter 2, verse 16. My Guru is never gone because Guru is eternal and I'm eternal.